Welcome to Career Growth. Today we are going to discuss about a career which has been long-standing and one of the careers which requires a lot of research and academic orientation, obviously backed with an analytical mind. The career that I'm talking on Career Growth today is law. Law as a career, one of the professions that is held in high esteem in society and one of the most respected professions as well. Lawyers represent one of the parties in the criminal or civil trials by presenting evidence in court and supporting their client. They basically also counsel their clients as to the legal rights and obligations and suggest particular course of action. When we are talking about law as a system, it is nothing but a rule which is enforced through a set of institutions, may be used as instruments to underpin the civil disobedience, politics, economics and society. Law is a rule or a body of the rules of conduct to inherent human nature and essential to binding upon human society. Given the vast aspects of our life, law is not confined to only one area. There are various aspects that are involved, and hence in academics also we find various areas of specializations. Typically we've got civil law, constitutional law, corporate law, criminal law, environmental law, family law, and of course with the upcoming IT technologies, it's also the cyber law and security that has come into being. Along with this, intellectual property law, international law, labor law, medical law, real estate law and taxation law are also enforced. So, for students who are interested in any of these areas, so many specializations are already available. So how do you enter this field? There are various ways of entering this field. Pursuing your 5-year undergraduate degree after class 12, of course on clearing the relevant examinations, or pursuing a 3-year bachelor's degree after graduation. Obviously there are specializations available even at the master's level. As spoken earlier, one can choose any of the specializations depending on their interest and aptitude. Many a times we hear a lot of people say that she can fight or argue very well, so she can become a lawyer. But that's not true. The true personality trait and the aspect or the attitude and the aptitude that a lawyer needs to have is the ability to interpret law. There are many other skills that a lawyer needs to have, some of them being intellectual ability, an ability to assimilate all the facts and come up with a case, integrity because finally the client's life is at your hands, mental and physical stamina, excellent presentation and convincing skills, the ability to persuade, and something that we all need to have today is patience. Once you have all these skills, you are on the threshold of becoming a very good lawyer. Where does one find employment? There are many options that a lawyer can find employments other than self-practice, joining law firms, even government service is an option for law students, educational institutes if you want to teach law, or defense services, banking sectors, private sector, public sector, even income tax and sales tax offices, excise department and even publishing houses. Most of the corporates today do have a legal department. So when we look at the job opportunities, that is just not limited to practice but has now increased to so many areas. A student has to ensure that they are registered with the Bar Council of India if they want to practice law in the country. If they have taken a degree abroad and want to come back and settle in India, they have to clear the exams given by the regulatory body which is the Bar Council of India. If you are interested in ensuring that everybody is entitled to their own rights and everybody should get the justice, law is the field for you. Go ahead, don't shy away because the specializations are many and opportunities are many, and I'm sure there are a lot of people who want to be represented by the right kind of person. So go ahead and become a lawyer. Keep watching Career Growth and keep subscribing.